Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look. It's just blue eyes with a pinky nude lip. And I already started by doing my eyebrows. So I'm going to go ahead and use this primer from Kat Von D. And I'm going to moisturize my face. And then I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever HD foundation stick. And I'm going to put this all over, and I'm just going to blend it out with my beauty blender. Now that the foundation is blended, I'm going to go in with this E.L.F color corrector in orange, and I'm going to use this on my dark circles under my eyes, on the sides of my mouth, and on my forehead, and on the sides of my nose as well. And then I'm going to use the same beauty blender just to blend everything out. Now that that's blended out, I'm going to take this concealer. It's by NYX. It's the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. I think this is in vanilla. I'm not positive. I'll leave the shade down below because I thought it was in numbers, like a 10.3. But like I said, I'll leave the information down below for sure. And now I'm going to use this KKW Beauty baking powder in number 2 in the medium shade. And I just switched to this brush. I just think it packs it on a little bit better than the sponge. So I'm going to finish with that. And then I'm going to move on to the eyes. So I'm taking the shade Define Me. And I'm using it a little bit above my crease just as a transition shade. Now I'm taking the shade Indigo on a smaller brush, and I'm just going to pack this on the outer corner of my eye and kind of work it towards the center of my eye as well. Just not grabbing any more product, but just blending out what I already have on the brush. Next, I'm spraying this brush with the Urban Decay spray, and I'm using the shade Dare Me, and it's kind of got a shimmer to it, and I'm using this all over the lid, and I'm going to blend it into the indigo shade on the outer corner. And I'm not going all the way to the inner corner of the eye because I'm going to use a different color. So for the inner corner, I'm using the shade Tailor. It's another shimmery shade. It's just kind of like a teal rather than a dark blue, and I'm blending it into the Dare Me color. And then I'll be using these same shades on my lower lash line as well. And then I'm just going to keep blending the shades together until I like the way that it looks. Now I'm going back in with the shade Define Me, and I'm just using this to blend out the crease area just so the colors are blended well together. And I'm going to dust off this baking powder, and I'm just using a regular E.L.F brush to do this. Now I'm taking the KKW brightening powder in the shade number 2, and I'm going to use this under my eyes as well. And now I'm going to take this Mocha color from Sephora, and I'm going to use this to contour my face, just under my cheekbones, around my forehead, my nose, my chin, and then I'll blend it all out. Next for blush, I ended up using the shades Vivid and Define Me and mixed them together. just to put on the apples of my cheeks, and then I blended it out. And then I also use this Fit Me foundation. Um, I don't remember the shade, but I'll leave it down in the description box. And I use this all over my face just to blend everything together. And like I said earlier, I'm using the same colors that I used on the top of my eyelids, and I'm putting them on the bottom lash line as well. Now I'm going to take this Great Lash Mascara. I like it because I like the point, so you can really get the outer corner and the inner corner lashes. And I'm just going to apply mascara to my top lashes, and then I'll go in with the falsies. And the false lashes that I'm using today are from eyelure, and I'm going to be using the duo glue for this. And so I'll add those on, and then I'll go back in and add bottom mascara. And for my lips, I just used the Wet n Wild matte lipstick. I don't remember the shade, but like I said, everything's going to be listed down below. And then I went over on top of that with the Anastasia liquid lipstick, and the shade will be listed down below as well. And then I use this You Light Up My Life highlighter from Too Faced, and I put a little bit on my forehead as well. And this is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next one.